Yes, we did it almost. Yes, $148, guys. Yes, $277. Hey friends, my name is Evelyn and welcome. If you don't know me, then I'm a professional trader with an experience of more than 8 years and I trade on Smartytrade platform. In this video, you will see how to make profit starting with only $1. I know it sounds crazy, but I know that you can do it. And now I want to offer you not to waste any more moment and start trading. So now let's get started. Friends, right now I am on my Smartytrade account already and I'm absolutely ready to start trading. I wanted to warn you that in this video I will be switching to different currency pairs. Why? Because we want to make our better profit. And talking about my strategy, I will place $1 in my first trade and then I will reinvest my profit to my next trades. So now guys, let's not waste any more second, any more moment, and let's get trading. So as you can see, I have my $3,800 here, but it will not stop me to make my first trade on $1 only and on 30 seconds. I will do it on Ethereum and USDT and it will be down direction. You may ask me why, but what we can see by our chart is that, and by drawing our trend line, that it is going down, and this is our sign, guys, that it's gonna be winning trade. And let's wait for some more moments and we are ready to take our profit. And here we are, guys, here we are. Yes, we did it. $1.98, and we will put it again to my second trade and it will be again on 30 seconds. And also I will switch to Solana and let's see again what we will earn. But I will make my down trade here because again we can see it. Yeah, $3.80. We did it, guys, and it's absolutely amazing. By the way, guys, I wanted to mention that you should never rush, and you can see that it is possible to trade even if there is no, I don't know, thousands of dollars in your account. So trust me and stay in the process. So we are back to Ethereum, 30 seconds, and it's gonna be $2.80 down direction. And again, while you can see that our trend is falling, and yes, our Ethereum showed us really great high points today, but it is time to go down and it is time to give us our profit. And I'm absolutely ready for it because we're gonna make almost $6 here. And we are almost there, almost there. Yes, we did it, almost $6. It's not that much, but still it's our money and we did it. So we're continuing and it's again on 30 seconds as you can see, and now I will place all this profit from my previous trade and we gonna do it. It's down direction again because it's continued falling, and let's not disturb it. Let's just stay in this pair and stay in this trade. And we have a little bit more time, guys. You know, just by knowing this key information, you can make really awesome profit, and you can make it. Yes, finally, it's $10 and a little bit more just in 30 seconds. Again, guys, yes, it's not that much. I know it's not $1,000. Still, this is your income, and we started just with $1. Right, guys, so right now I switched to different pair. It is Dodge USDT, and we will be trading on 30 seconds again, but it's gonna be our $10. So yes, it is risky, but we will do it because we know that our price is falling, and yes, almost $20 is already here. So it is time, guys, to trade high amounts, and we are doing it in $20, and I will go up because we can see that our price just was on 4 bottoms and it is time to go up to rise. And also our RSI indicator show us that yes, this trend is going to go higher, and of course I will do it. And yes, $40, almost $40 are in our pocket already, guys. So it's really awesome, and we will continue trading. Yeah, and right now I'm doing it back to Ethereum and USDT pair OTC market, and I will do it on our $39, which we just did in previous trade, and it's gonna be again up direction, because we can see by our RSI and by our chart that our price, yes, it was down, but still it's already crossed this lower position, and it is time for our price to go higher, and we have a little bit time. Yes, we did it. $76 are already here, and I continue trading. So guys, if we will look at our trend line, if we will draw our support and resistance levels probably, then we would see the direction of our price, and we will confidently say that it's gonna fall, because we can see that our price just came to this resistance line, to this trend line that is going down, and of course it seems that our price will continue falling, and this is why we made this down trade right now. Yes, $148 guys already here, and it is incredible. Just we did it in starting from $1, and now I'm gonna place this $140 per this trade in Bitcoin, and I know that this Bitcoin will bring us really great result. And again, by drawing our trend line, we can see that our price has touched this higher level, and it is time for it to fall. Also, it gave us some signs a little bit earlier that it's already started to fall. So yes, I'm confident, and I know that starting from $1 we will make yes, $277. It is incredible guys. Just imagine how easy and how fast did we do it. Wow. Friends, totally we made $285 starting from only $1. Can you imagine? It is just incredible and absolutely crazy, but I know that you can do it, and you can do even better. Just imagine what would happen if I would start it not with $1 but with $100 or $1,000 or more. Then you can just calculate how much profit we will have in the end. And guys, you can do it just by joining my VIP channel, which is absolutely for free, where I provide free trading signals, and you will get them daily 5 times a day. So guys, don't waste this opportunity, and by the way, it is absolutely for free. You don't need to pay anything, okay? So I wait for you in my VIP channel, and I know that it is your time to start trading, and to start trading with me. See you there.